In the state of New York, a majority of the apprenticeship programs across the country are just construction specific. Yes, we all know that construction has apprenticeship programs, but we need to do more of a focus on the other industries. So currently right now I'm working in the manufacturing industry. And when I say manufacturing, it could be pharmaceutical manufacturing, aerospace and defense, jewelry manufacturing. I'm going to be moving into automotive services as well as IT. There are over 170 different apprenticeship programs in 13 different industries. Just no one in those industries even know they exist. Hospitality, health and human services. All these programs exist to help train their workforce. By training their workforce, they have improving their retention, which is a humongous need in the manufacturing industry. And again, being able to grow their workforce and get funding through the federal and state local agencies to cover some of those costs. That's why I do what I do, because I want more businesses outside of construction to be aware of these programs, to know that they do exist and they can be taken advantage of to help grow their workforce.